What is up, guys? I hope you're having a great day today. I'm going to jump right into it. Here is the proof of how I got over $130 worth of free Bitcoin from Coinbase. Back in 2017, when BTC was around $4,000, someone sent me an invite link from Coinbase with a $10 sign-up bonus paid out in BTC. So back then, when I made my account, I received 0.002334 BTC from Coinbase. Now this Bitcoin is worth more than 10 times that amount, and it's around $130 more than that depending on its current value. So it's definitely paid out for me huge. If you do this today, who knows how much your free sign-up bonus will be worth in 2, 3, 5 years from now? So now I'm going to show you how you can do this today and how you can sign up to receive your free Bitcoin reward ASAP. You don't want to go on the regular Coinbase website or app because you're only going to get an option for $5 of free BTC. And who wants that when you can get twice that amount if you only use an invite link? So the first step is actually to use the invite link. This link will be in the description box below. Use that link and it will take you to a different sign-up page. In this web page, it should say you have been invited to try out Coinbase and that you will receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin once you buy or sell $100 worth of crypto. Make sure that it says $10 and not the $5 that it just normally says. The next step is just to sign up. Use your real information and make sure you remember your password. This is where some of your crypto will be stored. So make sure that you're using accurate info just to avoid any problems that may arise in the future. Unfortunately, you will have to be at least 18 years or older and be a US resident with a social security number in order to sign up for a Coinbase account. So if you're not 18, maybe try to get a parent to help out, or if you're not in the country, then I'm sorry, that's not going to work for you. After you successfully sign up, you will be on the home page of Coinbase. This is where you can buy or sell crypto. If you already have $100 worth of crypto, you can just send it over to your Coinbase wallet address and sell that $100 of crypto. This will make sure that you will receive your $10 sign-up bonus without actually having to buy any additional crypto. If you don't have that amount to sell, then you will need to buy $100 worth of crypto. And this could be any crypto you want. So it could be any coin from Bitcoin to Ethereum to the Graph, etc. Now I'll show you how to place a buy order. So first you want to click on your preferred crypto and select trade. Enter the amount, in your case it would be $100, and select your payment method. You could use a debit card or a linked bank account. And just click buy now. You will notice that there is an earn tab. This is where you can earn even more crypto rewards completely for free. All you have to do is watch some short educational videos and answer questions at the end. I've made over $50 just from doing this. As you can see, I completed all the available rewards already. You're going to have to unlock these for yourself. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful and useful, and I wish you luck on your crypto journey. Remember to like and subscribe. I will be doing more crypto videos in the future. Peace.